Wanna see you dancing, walking around on those, what do you call? Oh, feet. Flipping your feet, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down it's the rugged streets. Up where they walk, up where they ride, up where they stay all day in the sun. I'm wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Bitch on them, they understand, but they don't recommend their daughters. Right, young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask my questions and get some answers. What's fire and what is it? What's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore of out of the sea? Wish I could be part of that
Wow. How old are you, can I ask?
10.
10, grade 5. Wow, with that confidence in grade 5, which school do you go to? Wow, so they must be very proud to have you there. You're doing an excellent job. Ladies and gentlemen, give one big applause for Emily Olivia. Well done. Now, we are having